Hi everyone, this is video number 4 in a series on our relationship with nature, and in this video I'm going to suggest the exercises at the end of these videos you will notice are all in the form of go for a hike and so in this case the exercise will be to go for a hike and experience everything around you, all of the objects around you, as though they're a gift. And the idea of this hike is, so in feeling gratitude, in sensing the plants, the stones, the rocks, insects, all as a gift, the idea behind this is that that one is inviting the experience of wonder. And wonder is a very important topic. This insect is a gift. And so wonder is a very important topic, has been a very important topic in the realms of philosophy for over 2,000 years. Plato is famous for saying through the mouth of Socrates that philosophy begins in wonder. And philosophy, the Greek word philosophy, means love of wisdom. So the love of wisdom begins in wonder. So, and more recent philosophers have suggested that in treating the things of this world as though they're a gift, one is opening a doorway to this experience of wonder. Clearly, Plato thought that it was very important to experience wonder. And in order to be a philosopher, in order to be a lover of wisdom. And so I want to talk about what wonder really is. And there's a mundane form of wonder that actually was more sort of promoted by Aristotle. And that's the whole thread of philosophy. That is really about solving a puzzle. So in wondering, one encounters something that one challenges one's understanding, and it's like, okay, I don't understand this thing, and you want to figure it out, and so there's a process that leads to a solution, and that solution gets rid of wonder. Well, in Plato's version of wonder, that doesn't happen. Wonder is at the beginning, it's in the middle, and it's there at the end. And the wonder at the end of the process of philosophy has the quality of appreciation in it. And the wonder at the beginning has sort of the quality of awe and astonishment. So so there's a kind of journey where wonder is really the engine, the presence throughout the process of doing the love of wisdom. So what is wonder? Well, we've used the word astonishment, appreciation. So astonishment combined with appreciation could be a good description of wonder. But we have to say that wonder is kind of an opening to something. It's an experience, when we go to Plato's route, it's an experience of something, the connection with something beyond our normal experience. It's a connection with something that takes us out of a kind of limited view. We experience it as a kind of an opening. Wonder is kind of an opening. And Plato would say, I think, that in wonder we're seeing through the ordinary, the familiar, into the timeless. So this world is changing. The trees around me were once small and they've grown up, and that everything's changing, being born, dying, but in the experience of wonder, I experience the changeless through the changing. I see through to something timeless in the changing, and that was for him the goal of philosophy, and it's the goal of these videos because that is part of our connection to nature. Because this aspect of seeing through to the timeless, there's a dual aspect to it. On the one side, in the experience of wonder, we experience this object in front of me as sort of strange to me, unknown to me. And on the other side, I experience this incredible familiarity, a kind of a bond that we belong together. There's a bond between us, and that it's deep, it's familial. There's a sort of a common origin. We're part of the same cosmos, the same order. We've grown from it. There's a sense of us belonging to a deeper intelligence in this experience of wonder. So the two sides are strangeness and then this familiarity, like something that we know but we don't often experience. We know it only when we experience it. In our ordinary frame of mind, we're not really aware of that consciousness, but in the moment of wonder, it's like, I know this, you know. And so we will really want to invite that experience because it connects us to everything. We all belong together. Nature, we're in a sense one, related, closely related, family, and we want that experience. So, so in seeing through nature that way, we can belong in it. We can be part of it, and this can happen through the treating of nature, the things around us, as a gift. Everything here is a gift. Even the flies and everything is a gift. And to sort of to go for a time out in nature where that is the case, where everything is a gift, and to see what effect that has. All of these hikes are experiments, and to see what effect that has. Does that change things? Wonder is really this window into, I would say, a deeper consciousness. It's a window that opens to a deeper strata of consciousness, and in it we know something. It's a kind of knowledge that we don't normally think of knowledge, but and we may call it noesis. It's noetic kind of knowledge. But it's a different kind of knowledge than we think of that we gain through science or the sciences, for example. But nevertheless, on some level, it's more fundamental. It's a more fundamental kind of knowledge. And it's the kind of knowledge that Plato would have called wisdom. And it connects us to all that is. And we can do it through nature, through the kinds of hikes suggesting. So, here's to your journey into wisdom through some of these hikes. Thank you.